In this video, we discuss escape sequence characters. Escape sequence characters are those characters which begin with backslash followed by one or more characters. Even though they are a combination of two or more characters, they are treated as a single character containing an ASCII code. We see some of the escape sequence characters. First one is backslash n, a popular one, new line character. Second one is backslash t, tab space, backslash b, backspace, backslash r, carriage return, backslash a, alarm or beep sound, backslash single quotes to print single quotes, backslash double quotes, backslash question mark, and last one backslash 0, which is treated as null character. We see with the examples the purpose of each and every escape sequence character. Let us say I want to print a message, I want to print hello world message line by line. Okay, let us say I am writing hello world. I am running the program. We got an error. Sorry, by mistake I have written it as print. Okay. So hello world message, but I want to print hello in one single line and world in another line. So in such cases, we have to use hello followed by backslash n world. Now we see the output. So we are getting it as hello world. So hello world in line by line. So to make the cursor go to the next line, we have to use backslash n. So backslash n purpose is to enter into the next line. And second one is backslash t. So the purpose of backslash t is to provide a tab space. So let us say instead of backslash n, I am using backslash t here. So backslash t means in general compiler provides it treats 6 spaces as a tab space. If you want, you can change the number of spaces also in the editor. Okay. Now we are getting some number of spaces between hello and world. So that is the purpose of tab space. Next we see third one, that is backspace. The purpose of backspace is it makes the cursor to go one step backwards. Okay, let us say okay, I am keeping it as hello world like this, and in the second statement so I am writing backslash n to make the cursor go to the next line, and I am using the print backspace backslash b here, hello space backslash b, and then I am writing world. Now we see the output, what happens here. In the first example, we have written directly hello world. In the second example, space is missing. Why? Because after the space we have written backslash b. That means we are instructing the compiler to move the cursor one space backwards. That means cursor move to the space location. From the space location, it printed world. That's why we have missing space here. Why? Because cursor moved one step backwards. And the next example is next escape sequence character is backslash r, that is carriage return. Now what the carriage return does here is it moves the cursor to the starting location of the same line. So that means actually it prints hello space, and then we have used the backslash r. That means again the cursor goes to the starting line, and from the starting line world is printed. That means it overwrites the previous contents in the same line. And next one is backslash a. Backslash a means it gives alarm signal or a light beep sound. It depends upon the compilers. The output of this alarm or output of some escape sequence characters depends upon the compiler. And next, suppose if I want to print some information in single quotes as well as in double quotes. Okay, in modern compilers we can directly use single quotes and double quotes in printf function, but in some compilers if we get any errors, then we have to use them by using escape sequence characters. Okay, let us say I want to print hello in single quotes. Then I am using backslash single quotes, and also in the end of the hello I am using backslash single quotes. Let us say I want to print world in double quotes. So I am using backslash double quotes, and in the end of the world again I am typing backslash double quotes. Now we see we got hello in single quotes and world in double quotes. And last one, if I want to print a question mark, directly we can use question mark here. Okay, let us say backslash question mark. Okay, we got the question mark. And last one we see null character. So the purpose of null character, okay, let us say I'm writing hello backslash 0 and world. And what happens here is, okay, we see output and then we discuss hello. And after hello and after backslash 0, we are not getting any contents in the output. Why? Because backslash 0 indicates that is the end of the string. Now what printf function does here is, printf function prints the characters until it encounters a null character. Whenever it encounters a null character, then it stops the printing. It reads that is the end of the string. So whatever the contents that are written after the null character, they are not printed on the output. So backslash 0 indicates that it tells the printf function that okay, that is the end of the string. So no more printing after the backslash 0. So this is the video of the escape sequence characters.